Now we'll take a look at how the search traffic area of the Google Search Console can help you. This area is all about how your site performs in relation to traffic coming to the site, such as search queries that may return pages from your site in the Google search results and links to your site. The Search Analytics option shows information about search queries for which your site was returned in the results and which ones get clicked on, and you can modify these results to view them in various ways, such as viewing the number of impressions, the number of times your site appeared in the search results, the position in the results, filtering by the location of the searches, the type of device being used to search, and so on. In the Links to Your Site area, you can see what sites are linking to you and to what pages. You can download this information in a CSV spreadsheet format if you want, or load it directly into Google Docs. The Internal Links option shows you information about links within your site, how many to each page and where the links come from. Now, here's what you really want to see in the Manual Actions area. A manual action is when Google has penalized your site in some way because it believes you've played some kind of SEO trick. If you have a manual action against your site, you'll see the information here. We already saw the international targeting area, where you can define the country your site is targeting, in an earlier lesson. And finally, the mobile usability area, where Google provides information about how mobile-friendly your site is, a subject we covered early in this course. So that's the search traffic menu. Spend a little time digging around in here and see what you can find. In particular, the search analytics area and links to your site are pretty interesting. And with luck and some sensible SEO, you'll never see anything in the manual actions area.